Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be making banana coconut muffins. Okay, and we're gonna start off with some ingredients, and it's very quick to make, so there's really no excuses. Now, we're gonna start off with any yellow cake mix. I chose this one because it's all natural. We're going to also use eggs, water, oil, which I'm gonna measure using this. Well, actually, instead of water, I'm going to be substituting coconut milk for the water, and it requires 1 cup of water. So instead of water, I'll be adding 1 cup of coconut milk. We're also going to add a pinch of cinnamon sugar to add that little extra oomph. And for the banana flavor, we're going to use 1 ripe banana here. And this is our mixer. We're going to put everything in here. Afterwards, it's going to go into here. 6 jumbo muffin molds, and I'm using paper linings to clean up a breeze. We start with the batter. This is pre-mixed yellow cake mix. You can get at any supermarket. And we're just going to dump everything into the mixer like so. That direction says mix 1 cup water, but instead, as I said, we're going to use 1 cup coconut milk. And 1 cup is approximately 8 ounces, so we have 1 cup here. It's 1/2 cup oil. So let's do that. 1/2 cup oil. Next, we're going to put in 3 eggs. I like to add a little dash of cinnamon sugar. Now, I will also add, as per your taste, coconut flakes. I'm going to be adding about 1/3 cup coconut flakes. That's about 1/3 cup. And now for the banana. This is a very ripe banana, as you can tell. Okay, let me just mush this up in like that. Let me just throw away the skin, the compost. And then the rest of the banana goes in. And I'm going to clean up my hand. And those are basically all the ingredients. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to also mix it in, and the reason why I'm doing this is because when I turn on my machine, I don't want the flour to go all over the place. Okay, so now in it goes. Be very careful. Put it right in here. Oops. And we're going to start the machine. Okay, it's been approximately 3 minutes for the batter to mix. Okay, now what we're going to do is that we're going to get the rest of this goodness off the mixer, like so. So we get every single goodness out. Ooh, I'm being sloppy. Take this out. And now we're going to put it into the paper moldings, the plates. Now, here we go. we're gonna fill them up to about 3/4 of the way. Ooh, I smell that sweetness. And my oven is already set for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And when we're finished putting everything into the molds, we're gonna pop them in the oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. And it's really optional whether you choose to use paper liners or not. I like the paper liners because it's less of a mess for me to clean up and less sticking, of course. Okay, make them all even about. Now I have more batter, so I think I'm going to be making some more batter. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use my other pan and make 2 more, making a grand total of 8 muffins. And then with whatever is remaining, you can certainly distribute it to your other molds. This batter is really precious and you don't want to waste any. Now that we are done, we're going to first clean the sides so that it doesn't leave any burnt marks right there. Okay. So you clean up any spills that you may have. Now we're gonna pop these into the 350 oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. Here we go. This one first. And it goes into the center rack. Now we wait 25-30 minutes. It's been approximately 30 minutes. Our muffins should be done. Let's look. Oh yeah, woo, that's hot. Ah yeah. And shut off the oven, the oven light. Now, to test to see if it is done, we're gonna stick a toothpick in there. All right, just stick it in here, and if it comes out wet, that means it's gonna need a few minutes. Look at that, bone dry. That means our muffins are completely cooked, and we just have to wait a few minutes for it to cool so that we can taste it. Guess what? I can't wait. It's only been like 1 or 2 minutes, but I need to taste it. So here we go. Let me take one of these guys. Ooh, it's still very hot. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. But it's gonna be good, I'm sure. Let's take a, ooh, wow. Ooh. Am I bad or what? Oh. Oh, look at all that steam coming out. Oh. Oh. I gotta finish this. It would be great with coffee or tea or any hot beverages you like. Anyway, you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.